if you look,
Because the...
they're going to give it to us in solved form. It's already in log x times y. We have to put it back in its expanded form. So log x times y really became log x plus log y.
This is logarithmic form?
Yep. So now we got to put it. If we have log to the 6, to write this out as an expanded form, you just have log 6 plus log 11. Done.
Oh, wait, what?
Rock with me, come on.
Oh.
You're expanding it. Follow the directions.
You just multiplied it out? Is that all you did? You just multiplied it out?
We just expanded it. You know they remember when we are adding logarithms, you do what to the basis?
Oh, because this is multiplying, you add. Okay.
So here, log 5 times 3, written out, expanded here.
Log 5 plus log 3.
Bang. Log 5 plus log 3. I'm moving forward.
That one's easy.
Yeah. Now we about to get a tad complex. See if you was paying attention. I'm going to click back to the notes real quick so you can just get a snapshot. It is. It is. Remember now, this next question, you're going to be raising it to a power. So remember, as we said, if you're raising a log to the power, you're really going to multiply the exponent to the entire log. So let's try it, see who's on game.
Here you have to make
Who's
it.
standing on business?
Well, I think you're. Wait, so this one you're turning into exponential, right?
No, we just expanding it. So if we add log 6, let me say it in español. Log 6 sobre 11 raised to the 5 power. Remember, you're going to take that 5 and just put it in front. The exponent. So your answer becomes 5.
Oh, 5 logs.
Log 6 minus 5 log 11.
Huh?
We double check to make sure we good money.
Wait, go ahead.
Yeah.
5 log 6.
Now, watch. I'm just showing y'all. Don't worry. You can catch it on the replay when y'all try it.
Why isn't it a fraction anymore?
Because that's the solved result. We're putting it in the expanded form. Remember, this is the form that they're giving it to you. They're telling you to write it as its expanded form. So anytime if you have a number in front of the log, you know that that's really log 5 to the 6 raised to the 4th. So if log 6 to the 11, the exponent that's raised to the 5 goes in front of each log that you're subtracting. We know it's subtracting because this is division. So you're really log 6 minus log 11, but since it's raised to the 5th power, each one is raised to a 5.
Multiplying it out, but you're subtracting it?
Yes, because it's division on the inside, and it's an exponent raised to the 5. That means each log is being multiplied by 5. So instead, like, imagine if you didn't have this here. What would your answer, if there was no 5 here, what would your answer be? Log 6 minus log 11, because it's division.
Yeah.
But now, there's an exponent there. So it becomes 5 log 6 minus 5 log 11.
It's gonna take me a little bit.
Yeah, it's no problem. Looks like you might be on. Well, talk with me on this one, Isaac. What you got for 4 right here? I know if you're on game right now, this one's a little challenging.
4 is log 3.
Yeah, you got the 3 here. First off, you multiplying the log. So what operation is it really?
Addition.
Addition, good. So it's going to be log 3 plus
3 log 2.
Nice. Because this is being raised to the power of 3, it becomes 3 log 2.
What?
Making sense?
No.
Yes.
Every question is different. I'm so
I know, it's
confused.
supposed to be. Where I lose you on this one, back and back.
Can you explain it again?
We got another one like that again. We got a whole sheet worth of them.
Wait, what?
Where we losing? Remember?
I don't get it.
Take it step by step.
Okay.
What are we doing when we're multiplying?
Adding. Okay.
You're multiplying.
Why
all
did you
through.
distribute the log to the 3 but not the log to the 2?
Because what is it being raised to? It's not being raised to both of them. It's only being raised to the 2. Here, it was raised to both.
So,
Look. So
oh,
you
right,
would have
the
had to
exponent
apply it
goes
to
in
both.
front- The exponent goes in front of the log, right? So then, but why is it 2 after it?
Because it's log 2.
Yo.
Okay.
It's just that the 3 goes now in front of this log, not this one. Because there's no, this is not being raised here.
No, I understood that part. I'm just. Yeah, 3.
5. Come on.
Okay.
First off, you see a fraction, so you know what operation.
Subtraction.
Bam! Now let's start with that. So before we even do this, let's do the subtraction first. So it'll be log.
Log.
Come on. Log what?
Are we still doing 4?
No. Do that last.
Huh?
Don't mind this right now.
Log 2? Minus log 5?
Now, perfect. Hold on. Now, what do I do with this exponent? Put it where? Which one of those logs does it belong to?
To the 2?
Say it, yes. Boom, game. Is it?
I'll leave the number 11.
Oh!
We getting there.
Wait. Oh. Oh. I get it.
Fine. You got it? That's all I needed to hear. Guess what? You gonna have to do the rest.
No, I don't get it.
Alright, let me talk to y'all about the backside, a couple of them. Wait, I'll do one request. Ooh.
Please do the
Oh, I
11.
forgot to do that rule. That was the last, I knew it was one more rule I was supposed to give y'all.
Does it turn out like this?
This is not tough. Let me go back to, I'm glad you get that. This is perfect. This is perfect. This is perfect.
That makes sense. That makes sense. What's the reverse? What's the reverse of this?
Now, Isaac, give me that question again. What did it say?
Log.
Log what? Oh, it's square rooted, right?
Yeah.
Square root of,
No, it was log.
cube root of,
No, but log was in front of it.
X times Y times Z. X times Y.
x times
Y times
y times,
Z. Z.
like this?
But the log is in front of it, like in the.
Like, so it's here?
Yes.
Perfect. All right.
The dividends.
This was my last, I forgot to give you the last one, but maybe I was on, this worked out perfect because now we're here. Think about
I don't even know how to do a cube root.
when we were, no, it's easy. Think about when we were raising a power to a power, right? You multiplied it. Okay, I was going to ask you, like, if you raise an exponent, like we say x to the second power, right? What's the inverse of x to the second? You would say 3 to the second power, right? What's the inverse of 3 to the second power? Square root of,
Square root of the second power.
no, square,
Can I-
3 raised to the second power is
9.
9.
Oh.
Go in reverse.
Negative
Square root of 9 would be, because what you had to do. So think about it.
times 3.
If we did raise to a power, we multiply. So if we're square rooting, we're gonna divide.
Also, we're just gonna divide all of it by 3.
Thank you, Isaac, you got it. So now that you have log raised to the, or cube root, this, you see that you're multiplying all of these, so we're really what?
So it would be.
We're really
I just said that.
adding.
Is it the same thing for a
What?
square root?
Oh, yeah.
Watch.
So
First, let's solve this one. You solve this. This is going to be log x, what?
Log X. Dude.
Plus
plus log y plus log z.
Plus log y, watch where I'm going, plus log z. We know that because you multiply them all, right? Now here's where the last part comes in. You're not raising them to a power, you're doing the second part. You square rooting them. So that means you just now, instead of putting the 3 in front, you're gonna do what?
Put 3 at the bottom.
No.
Put three
By,
at the
if you
back.
put 3 on the bottom, that's like us doing a what?
Oh, you're right.
A fraction, so you're really not multiplying, you're doing division. So you're just taking the cube, dividing everything by 3.
So it was on the bottom.
Yeah, that's what
I just said that. When you're doing the bottom, it's like a fraction.
No.
Fraction is what? Division.
Yeah.
So there you go.
So that's the answer?
Well, that's the example of when you're doing a cube root or square root.
That's what I was asking. Is this the same for a square root? Okay.
Fine. Instead of dividing it by 3, you'll be dividing it by...
2.
You're a genius, Becca. Just remember who told you that, all right?
Thank you.
So, now we back to our sheet. We got... Oh, I just did now.
Wait, yeah.
So my answer should be, let's just take it in stride.
You don't do anything else? That's your final?
All right. Log x plus log y plus log z, and all of it is divided by 3. All of them.
Do you have to divide it or wait? No.
No, just leave it in that format. Let me show you what I'm talking about so you can see it. See? Log x divided by 3, log y divided by 3, log z divided by 3. It's very similar to what I just showed you on
You
the
multiply it and divide it
same
by...
thing.
So you multiply it and divide it by the dividend?
You just divide it.
Or the exponent, yeah.
Divide it by that. All right, back to live action.
Hopefully not like actually.
So, in 12, it'll be what?
11.
Wait.
Oh, 12? Oh, no.
What do I have?
Oh, what would
You-
be log x plus log y plus 2 log z.
Easy money.
Wait.
Log x plus log y plus 2 log z.
2 is the exponent.
Did that work for you, Melody?
Oh.
You getting this, Marias? Sí.
Wait.
Comprende no inglés o español.
Why is this...
En matemáticos.
I speak Portuguese.
Portuguese.
Mafe, entra desocupado.
She speak Portu English.
Mafe.
Portu Spanish.
What? Comprende mi inglés. Entendés and comprende the same thing.
Oh, they are?
Now, in this game, you're going to condense it. Isa. We're going backwards. So now we're going from expanded form to condensed form. In 13, I got log 3 minus log 8. What's that look like when it's condensed?
What?
We're first subtracting, right? So what are we doing when we're subtracting? We're really dividing. So this becomes log 3 divided by 8. Got that?
Exactamente.
No?
No son
Oh. Okay.
Por eso
I
te
guess.
gustan mucho.
That's it?
What y'all doing?
Por eso te gustan
Is
mucho.
that it? Yeah.
For when you condensing it, Q, did you get these though? Was you understanding these when we did these?
I can't really see, so.
Uh-oh.
I can't really see, so.
Don't worry, you can catch it on the playback. If I had to condense this one, Q, what would you say this was? Remember, this is the expanded version. So now you got to put it back. Take it one by one. Look at 15, because I'm about to give y'all the rest of the sheet. If I got 4 log to the 3, how does that condense?
Oh, I know.
To what? Go ahead.
3 over 4 to the power of.
Well, first do
3
this
over
one
8
first.
To the power of, yeah. That's 3/4. 3 to the power 4.
Yup. Become log 3 to the power of 4. And that's being divided by, because you're subtracting, right?
So over 8. Log 8 to the power 4.
How did you get that?
No, wait.
No.
Divided by.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, it's log 3
Here.
to the power 4 over 8 to the power 4.
He said no.
No, wait. It would have to be in parentheses because if you leave it like that, it would be a parentheses.
Thank you.
That's what I was doing.
Let me write that better.
Explain yourself out. And you forgot the parentheses too.
I wasn't even finished. There are tactics.
Because you have the 4 that's in front of both. It's in front of both. That means the entire thing is being raised to the
Oh,
4th
it's
power.
the exponent, yeah.
And then you already know it's just log 3 divided by log 8 because it's subtraction. And because it's a 4 in front of both, it's the entire fraction being raised to the 4th power.
Oh, I didn't notice it was like that one, but with the fours.
We here. Condense it. Log 2 plus log 11 plus log 7. This just becomes log what? If we're adding, we're really doing.
Multiply.
So this becomes log what?
2 times 11.
Give me the value.
Oh,
The value.
log parentheses 2 times 11 times 7. Right?
You forgetting something.
Wait,
Parentheses?
Yeah, I said parentheses too.
I'm confused because the 2 is after the log here and not
Yeah,
after the
yeah.
log.
So it's really what? Log 2 times 11 times 7. But don't leave it in that format. You're not going to leave it as 2 times 11 times 7.
Yeah, parentheses.
Condense it. 2 times 11 times 7.
Oh, what 2 times 11 times 7?
Come on. Come on.
22 times 7. Oh, 144.
154.
Oh, wait,
Stupid.
how much?
Wait.
It's 154.
Oh, wow, leave it alone.
Oh my god.
154, Daddy. I was 144 like you, doggone.
Henley.
I know you're dumb.
I'm gonna show you. Let me show you what he meant. Because what we did is we condensed it. It's really this: 2 times 11 times 7, but we just simplified it to log of 154.
Why are you multiplying?
Because we're doing what?
Addition.
So when you're adding the logs, you really do what to the powers?
Multiply.
I'm gonna help y'all with 18, and then I'm gonna turn y'all loose.
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah.
I think I have the answer for number 18.
All right, talk to me. Hold on. Wait. Let Beck and Ruth catch up.
Log.
Wait. Let them catch up. Ruth, you good?
Yes.
All right.
Can we do this one slower?
Take your time. Take your time on it, Isaac.
Alright, so log cubic 7 to the power 2.
Okay, pause.
Divide by 3.
This, do it the top part.
Wait.
Yeah, the top one would be 7 to the power 2.
Think about it.
The
Think
2.
about it.
No.
What are we doing?
The 2 would be the exponent.
It's being divided by 3.
Yeah, I know it's squared. It's squared. To
Why would it be squared?
Because that's
It would be.
Cubed.
Yeah, I said cubic.
Cubed, not squared.
Cube.
Squared is by 2. Cubed is by. So because you're dividing by 3, you know you're gonna have one of these,
You know damn well I'm right too.
Oh no.
right?
Unfortunately.
Now
So we're gonna have that initially, and then just take it step by step. You see the divide by 3, so you know we cubing it.
So
Then now let's look at it. 2 is in front, so we know that that's really what?
7 to the power 2.
Log
2.
7 to the second power.
What?
Take your time in steps. We just went over. If you divide it by 3, that means you're cubing it. You got a log of 7 being raised to the power of 2. And that's how we do that. Y'all want to, let's double check that.
I don't understand what you wrote for log 7 too, like how you got that.
All right, before I explain it, let me double check and make sure I get it right.
Okay.
I'm nice.
Or wait, no.
Okay.
I understand
Now.
now.
Oh, you
Because
do
the
it?
7 would be the and the 7 no, I mean the 2 would be the exponent and the 7 would be next to the base. Okay. It took me a moment.